All right, let's look at what we have here today. Now, we are given that matrix B is equal to 5, 4, minus 3, and 8. And matrix C is equal to X, Y, Z, and 8. Now, we are asked to find X, Y, and Z if B is equal to C. Now, this is very, very simple. Now, just as I said in our previous class, we said that for two matrices to be equal, that means the order of the matrix must be the same. You get? So, here's the solution to this problem. Now, we have B to be equal to 5, 4, minus 3, and 8. And matrix C is equal to X, Y, Z, 8 also. Now, for these two metrics to be the same, because just as we can see here, we are going to find X, Y, and Z. If B is equal to C, that means these two metrics are the same. And we said for two metrics to be the same, that means the order of matrix B must be equal to the order of matrix C. The order of matrix B must be equal to the order of matrix C for the two matrices to be the same. Now, let's look at this now. Since we already know that they are the same by this statement here, this particular condition have make us know so that these two are the same. This is how you can now do it. Now, this is the first element. On the first row, this is the first row, this is the first element. And the first element will be equal to the first element in the second row. The second element will be equal to the second element on the second row. If you have the second, this is the second row, this is the second column. So the second column will also be equal to the second column. The first column by the second row will be equal to the first column by the second row. You get? That's how it's going to be. So by doing that, we will know that X is equal to 5 because they are the first element by the first row. Now, Z will be equal to minus 3. Yes, because by the second column, this is the second column. The second column by the first row. See that Z is there and minus 3 is there. Now, Y will be equal to 4. Y will be equal to 4 because by the second row, first column, second row, first column, see that Y is there and Y will be equal to 4. So from this, 8 is also equal. So we have seen that X is equal to 5, Z is equal to minus 3, and Y is equal to 4. This is very simple if you understand equality of a matrix. If you're finding this part difficult, watch the previous video so that you will understand what is going on here. If you find it interesting, do not hesitate. Make sure you like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel, and keep supporting us. Thanks for watching. Bye.